So the big picture for this lesson is volume of pyramids and cones. So here's a pyramid. Now the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 of the volume of the corresponding prism. In other words, if we had a prism that was 10 by 10 by 18, that volume would be 3 times the volume for this pyramid right here. So what you can do is you could say that the volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height. That's all there is to it. So the volume of this guy is 1/3. The area of the base, 10 times 10 is 100, so I'm just going to put 100. And then times the height, which is 18. So volume is 1/3. 100 times 18 is 1,800. And then 1/3 times 1,800, that's the same thing as 1,800 divided by 3, 600. What are the units? Centimeters by centimeters by centimeters, so it's centimeters cubed. So that's the volume of a pyramid. Now let's look at a cone. So the 1/3 idea also applies to cones. A cone volume is 1/3 of the volume of a corresponding cylinder. So the volume for a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. So let's find out what this volume is. Volume is 1/3 pi times 8 squared, and then the height is 18 centimeters, so times 18. So volume is 1/3 pi. 8 squared is 64, and then times 18. Okay, so let's see. Volume is 1/3 pi, and 64 times 18, I'll do that on the calculator, 1,152. Okay, commutative property of multiplication, 1/3 times 1,152, and then times pi. So what is 1/3 times 1152? It's 384. I did that on the calculator, so V equals 384 pi. So that is the exact volume, but let's find out what it is in a decimal. So that's 384 times 3.14. I'm just going to round it to the nearest integer. So the volume is 1,206. And what are the units? It's centimeters and centimeters. Centimeters cubed. So why is it centimeters cubed? Well, you're multiplying the area of the base, which is 64 square centimeters, by the height, which is 18 centimeters. So that's centimeters cubed. All right, that's the big picture for this lesson.